Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muslimin and I'm from the Instrumentation and Automation Engineering program at ITERA. In this video, I'm going to explain ladder current, CNT and CNTR and demonstrate a ladder circuit using the PLC training board based on module 5 PLC counter application in pneumatic system. The objective of the experiment are: number one, to understand the working principle of counter in the Omron PLC, the learn how to use CNT, CNR, and CNTR instruction in ladder diagrams. To understand how to connect counter to outputs in pneumatic control system. So, what is a counter in a PLC? A counter is an instruction used to count the number of pulses or signal received from an input device such as push button, sensor, or limit switch. Every time the input signal become active, the counter value CV current value increase by 1. This value is compared to a PIV preset value, which is the target count we set. When CV is greater than or equal to PV, the counter's output bit turns on. Counter R, commonly used in industrial automation, for example, counting the number of products on a conveyor, counting the number of pneumatic cylinder circle, or counting the number of motor rotation. Counter-up CNC. CNT. The counter-up function count the number of times an input signal turn on. In other words, it increments the count. How it works? Every time the input is activated, CV increases by 1. When CV PIV, the output bit of the counter turn on. Example of ladder instruction CNT 0000 pagar 10. Demands the counter was address C0000 and will active the output after receiving 10 input, please. Usually, this counter is paired with a reset button using the CNR instruction to reset the counter back to 0. Counter reversible CNTR, the CNTR or reversible counter can count up and down depending on the input signal. How it works: up input CV increases, down input CV decreases. The output turn on when CV lebih dari PV and turn off again when CV drop below PV. Example of ladder instruction CNTR 001 pagar 10. This means the counter output will activate when the count reaches 10 and decreases if the count decreases below the value. The counter must be reset to clear its value back to 0. If not, the PLC will continue counting from the previous value, which cause incorrect operation. To reset I counter, we use the CNR counter reset instruction. This the usually connection to I reset button or a specific condition in the control system that restart the counting process. Now, let's more on the practical part. The ladder circuit demonstration on the trainer board. Example, one counter up CNC. Input start button 100. Reset button 10101. Output indikator lamp Q0.00. Instruction CNT C00 CNT C0005. Expression at team the star button is pressed, the counter value increases by 1. When the value reaches 5, the indicator lamp turns on. When the reset button is pressed, the counter reset to 0 and the lamp turns off. Show this directly on the PLC trainer. Press the button multiple times until the lamp lights up. Then press reset. Example 2. Counter reversible CNTR wiring and component. Input up button 1012. Input down button 1013. Output indicator lamp Q0.Q1. Instruction expression over time the up button is pressed, the counter count up. When the down button is pressed, the count decreases. The indicator lamp turn on when the count reaches 5, on turn off again when it goes below 5. So, this in the dimension press up and down alternative to show how the counter increases and decreases. Mm. In pneumatic system, counter are often used to count the number of times a cylinder extend and retract. to stop the system automatically after I certain number of cycles or trigger another process after reaching a set count. For example, a pneumatic cylinder may be programmed to move back and forth 5 times the then stop automatically. This operation can be done using ICNT instruction with ICNR reset. Conclusion. From this experiment, we can conclude that from this experiment, we can conclude that number one, counter are used to count the number of input signal in a PLC system. CNT is used for counting up while CNTR is used for counting up and down. Number 3, CNR is used to reset counter value. Number 4, counter are very useful in automation, especially in pneumatic control system and other industrial process. Alright, that's all for my explanation. I am Muslimin and thank you for watching this video about ladder counter CNT, and CNTR and the demonstration using a PLC trainer board. I hope this video helped you better understand how counter work in PLC system. See you in the next session. Dadah.